Let's dive into this explainer on the cellular battery crisis. What really happens when you leak energy?
Think of mitochondria as your body's energy stations. They pump out the ATP molecules powering every single cell.
But oxidative stress constantly attacks those delicate mitochondrial membranes, literally draining your energy reserves dry.
So the million-dollar question is, how do we actually repair these damaged cellular batteries?
A fascinating answer just popped up in the Biomedical Journal of Scientific and Technical Research.
Enter polyprenols. These are natural bioregulators extracted right from the wild needles of Siberian coniferous trees.
Amazingly, our liver cleverly converts these long plant polyprenols straight into much-needed mammalian dolichos.
These dolichos act like tiny repairmen, maintaining the integrity of your cell membranes, especially your mitochondria.
But here's a massive hurdle. If polyprenols are so amazing, why are they so incredibly hard to absorb?
The catch? They're highly lipophilic, which basically means they are completely insoluble in water.
Because of this, their actual uptake varies wildly across different organs, like your liver and intestine. Since they won't dissolve in water, their raw bioavailability through the human gut is remarkably low. But that's where the patented CybXP complex completely changes the game for bioavailability.
This unique formula perfectly combines a 90% polyprenol concentrate, first cell sap, and CGNC conifer paste.
That CGNC paste is a chlorophyll keratin complex that brilliantly acts as a natural emulsifier for absorption. Meanwhile, the first cell sap delivers natural antioxidants, bioavailable iron and magnesium to help prevent thrombosis.
Products like T8 Extra 90% use this exact complex to directly boost immunity and mitochondrial repair.
Or consider T8 Blend, adding the juices of 6 wild taiga berries to massively enhance antioxidant effects.
Now, there's a surprisingly deep biological link between your gut microflora and cellular mitochondria.
Healthy gut microbes produce metabolites that stimulate the specific enzymes your mitochondria desperately need to generate ATP.
Formulations like the metabiotic T8-MOBIO+ reach your colon unchanged, reducing inflammation and supporting vital energy formation.
Finally, combining polyprenols with pomegranate extract and marine collagen triggers an amazing cellular cleanup process called mitophagy.
This biological sanitation process destroys damaged mitochondria, letting healthy new organelles generate even more cellular energy.
So ask yourself right now, are your cellular batteries operating at full capacity or quietly leaking energy?